This Local Me a Minute is brought to you by RC's Pizza and Pasta Valley Ranch Town Center, located in New Caney, Texas.
So today, between Nathaniel Center and Megaton Brewery, we've had a lot of fun things happen. A few of them have been live music, silent auction, and bounce houses, petting zoos, you name it, we had it today. It's been really a great time. All of the funds from the Nathaniel Center are going to the King United Methodist Church flood benefit, and then a portion of our proceeds here at Megaton will go to that relief fund as well. The reason behind all of this is I want to quote my uncle on this one, and it's take care of your people. And if you take care of your community will take care of you. And that's what we're here for. That's what Megaton's all about, and that's what Nathaniel Center is all about, is building a better community.